The homeowner just called me. They have a leak detection company coming next week, and they need it blue by then. We're gonna go ahead and get started vacuuming. Go ahead and put in this net bag. Try and get a couple bagfuls of this debris out of the bottom. This is where it gets messy. So we're gonna put all these jugs of chlorine . Now if 11 jugs of chlorine weren't enough, I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 pounds of cal hypo as well, right before we brush it. We can see the bottom in the shallow end, and it's hazy in the deep end. Morning of day 3. Your permission to put in a new filter. Put in that filter, let it circulate some more so it'll clear up the water so I can see what I'm doing and vacuum everything to waste. 1 jug of chlorine, 3 pounds of cal hypo. So we don't want this vacuum moving around the pool and stirring it up. Get you a hoe, hang that over the edge. We got this homemade gaff, some nice black duct tape taped to this pole. We're gonna get these sandbags out of there. We're gonna gaff them. right, that's a wrap. The leak detection company is set to come out tomorrow at noon. This pool is beautiful. Those guys don't know what we did for them to clean it up. There's no way they were getting in that pool before. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Happy pool.